We know everything there is to know about balls, so we made a device for the biggest ball of them all, your beautiful bald head. This is the Dome Shaver Plus from Manscaped. With Flex Adjust technology, ultra-thin blade guards, and a 4-blade design, the Dome Shaver Plus gets you back to smooth. The Dome Shaver Plus was made to work wet or dry, but for a more comfortable shave, we recommend spreading a light coat of Power Shave Gel on your head. Now that you've prepped, remove the protective cap and press the power button to turn on the Dome Shaver Plus. Repeat as often as needed to make sure your bald never fades. To clean the Dome Shaver Plus, first turn the device off. Open the hair chamber by detaching the blade pad from the hair chamber. It's magnetic and should pop off easily. With everything detached, shake everything out of the hair chamber and then rinse the device and rotary blades under the faucet. Shake off the excess water and lay both pieces on a small towel to air dry. To retach, align the blade pad with the hair chamber and they'll magnetically attach. Power off the Dome Shaver Plus and use the only plug you'll ever need. The included USB-C cable will bring you to a full charge in about 90 minutes and give you 60 minutes of runtime at full charge. If you run out of juice early, your shaver only needs a 10-minute charge to get you through a quick shave. Now, when the hair comes back, you'll be ready. The Dome Shaver Plus from Manscaped.